Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In this episode I am starting assembly the S1000RR 2022. This is a regular version, non-M, but I think there is the difference are power and drivability is the same. So in the meantime I am starting assembly the motorcycle. I have the needed parts, still waiting for this big screw. The battery is in and I want to assemble the entire rear. So I will do this now. Okay guys, so I was able to prepare every firing. On my channel there is a lot of movies showing the preparation process and all that kind of stuff. And at this point this is our first coat of clear. So now it's time for curing, 5 minutes curing time, 20 degrees Celsius, around between 70 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Fuel tank and fuel firing, and in a moment I will put second coat and that's it. And I will show you the final result and I can start assembling this bad boy up. Woo! Alrighty guys, so everything is painted very nice with no runs. I am happy because a few times I had problems with runs, but now everything is fine, no dust, maybe few dirts here and there. So I am happy with the result, looking very nice. Okay guys, the battery is charged. We have the power guys. Okay guys, so the two panels are installed. Now I will put the firings, but basically I think I can put the fuel tank. I think I will do this now, and then I will put the entire rear back together. Okay guys, so now I will install two small firings. The tail is installed. Now I need to screw here and here. Two screws. And the rear will be finished. What's next? What's next? Ah, those plastic covers. But I have to... Guys, I have to clean them because they are dirty, so give me a sec, I will clean them. Okay guys, so as you can see the fuel tank firing are installed. Okay, so now I will put the seat on, but the motorcycle is very dirty. In the end I need to power wash this bike. Put that kind of aftermarket fuel tank protection covers. Happy with that! Yoo-hoo! So now I will put the bracket back together. It is a new bracket from dealership. Guys. Okay, so now I will install the bracket. Okay guys, so now I will connect the digital dash. Small clips. Can't put the last one Okay. Okay guys, so I was able to fix the headlamp. Okay, small mistake. I forgot to put the air line. Okay. And now I can put the put the wire to the headlamp unit. So now the headlamp unit is plugged. Okay guys, so it is time to paint the fuel cap. Alrighty guys, so the fuel cap is painted, it's dry. Now I will install it. So guys, I forgot to put this gasket. So now the gasket should be here. And now we can mount the fuel cap. Hop. Guys, give me a sec, I need to use two hands. There is no sign after damage. Gasket is lying very good. I am happy. So, few steps left. For at this moment I am waiting for the phone call from the dealership. And I have to order the entire roll gas and the switches to launch the motorcycle. Okay guys, so I have the needed parts. As you can see, new parts from dealership. This was the most expensive one, roll gas, and this is the entire set. You cannot order anything separately. If you have damaged roll gas like mine, you have to order such a thing, and this is around $300, around 300 euro in my country, with some discount of course, unfortunately. So this was the most expensive thing, and now I will install it, everything here. Guys, I am doing this first time. Hope nothing blows up here. Okay, looks very nice. Now I will replace this reservoir. Here is a new one from dealership. Back together, the reservoir fluid, brake fluid reservoir is also screwed back together. Now I can put the brake lever, connect this hose, and put the electronic back together, you know, those switches. So, time to do this. I was able to put everything back together. Now I need to put screws. Guys, such a tiny screw is going there. Yippee! Woo! In my country it's called roll gas. This is I think this is drive-by-wire stuff. And now I will connect this plug to drive-by-wire system. Okay, it's plugged. I will change this. This is for bleeding the brakes. I need this wrench, I think 8 millimeters. And I have the new one here. But guys, I am still waiting for this part, this rubber piece, and I will put this new one, but I cannot build the system because I don't have this rubber thing, you know. So I will screw this because I don't want to lose it. And if I receive this rubber protective thing to this bleeding valve, I will bleed the entire brakes. So I have to paint this, but everything here is fine. In a moment we can launch this bad boy. Let's do a small refueling process. One hand. Guys. Wait a second. I managed to do it. Okie dokie. How do you think, guys? Write me in the comment. It will launch or not? Woo. What's going on? I think the battery died together on its place. Okie dokie. Now I will screw the bottom bolts. Alrighty guys, as you can see, all the firings are installed. I think they are looking very nice. The bike looks very nice. All the bolts are screwed. I am charging the battery because the battery is dead, but I think I can put a charge in this battery and it should be enough for start the motorcycle. As you can see, everything is screwed back together. And one piece is missing. Here is such a small cover. And the windshield, and basically the motorcycle is finished. And I forgot to replace the footrest, so because I am ending for today. So guys, few steps left. I will show you this tomorrow for you. It will be a second for me, around 15 hours. Oh guys, so I have the missing part. That this thing should be here. Okay. I have this valve cover, this rubber thing. I have the footrest, and I was able to buy .4 brake fluid, so I will bleed the system right now, and I will screw everything, every missing part back together. Okay, so I bleed the system. The fluid is around there. I don't see bubbles. Now I will do the second line, and that's how you do it. So you press this lever. You have to watch for the fluid level here. Press, press, press. Unscrew this bolt. Air will go out from that system. Or you can use, of course, bleeding tools, but I don't have the bleeding tools. I have to order one. So this is the old-fashioned way to do it. So guys, the brake system is bleeded. I put this plastic cover, so the front starting looking very nice. Now I will put the windshield. And guys, all I have to do now is to replace this footrest. Basically the motorcycle, it's looking like new again. And this small thing. So guys, basically the motorcycle is finished. Few small things left. I will finish this, of the camera. Basically I have to order mirrors because I forgot to order mirrors and put aftermarket turn signals, and that's it. But overall, the job is completed. So guys, thank you very much for watching and see you all to the next time. Peace!